Hey friend, welcome back. So today let's practice with me, okay? I will give you a simple exercise to improve your fingering and same time to breathe control and blowing control, okay? You can see the notation in here and try to play with me. When you're playing, give attention to your breathing and blowing same time to fingering. Need to say, don't rush to play this notation really fast. Just play it really slowly when you're starting, and try to play just plain notes without using any variations and without using any alankaras and techniques. Just play the plain notes, okay? So I will play this on 4/4 beat. Like when you starting playing, just go on a simple slowly beat, okay? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, like that. Then when you get familiar with these notes, you can gradually increase your speed, okay? Okay, let's start. That was ascending part of the exercise, okay? So when you playing, give attention when you breathe, okay? And try to blow off for 4 beats, okay, like that. And then let's play descending. It goes like that's it. And when you get familiar and comfortable with finger placement, you can increase the speed when you're playing, okay, like this. And then like that you can play. So guys, that's it, okay? Try to play this exercise for more and more and practice this kind of exercises so you can improve your fingering, blowing and breathing. So let's meet in another practical session. Until that, keep playing, keep practicing, okay? Bye bye.